I'll show you what the perfect bite looks like. Chef Stino here. Today I bring you a new video, Bacalao, Dominicano style. It's an easy, fast, and delicious recipe, so let's get right into it. First, let's start by cutting our green and red pepper, dice them into cubes, and place them into a container. Now let's cut our onion, do the same, dice them into cubes, and place them into the same container. Wow, look at those colors. 2 tomatoes to make our bacalao nice and juicy. Dice them and place them in a separate container. Add some salt and oil to your boiling water, and then begin to enter your rice. Stir every 30 seconds. I do prefer codfish. Add your codfish into a pot full of water, and begin to boil. Add salt if you bought your codfish unsalted. Begin to cook your fish for 15 minutes and let it cool down. Rice is almost there. Now let's strain our codfish into the strainer. Add cold water to your bowl and begin to break your codfish inside the water. Break it down into small little pieces. Pretend you're grabbing money. Just keep breaking it, grabbing it, grabbing it. Look at that. Grab it, grab it, grab it, break it, break it. Now let's strain our codfish in the strainer. Let's get all that water out. Damp it with a piece of Bounty and just take all that moisture out. Just like that. Add some oil to your pot and put the flame on high. Start adding your green peppers, your red peppers, and your onions. Now let's add a tablespoon of tomato paste and begin to saute your peppers and onions. This is smelling good already. Begin to add your bacalao and mix it in. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Adobo, salt, garlic, pepper. Add it to your mix and stir that around. Add some sazon Goya, 3 eggs, and mix that around. Now let's add our tomatoes to make the bacalao nice and juicy and not have it dry. Mix that around every few minutes. Keep doing that for 15 minutes. When the rice is done, now let's begin to plate our dish. Wow, look at that. Add some vinegar and voila, mira eso. Oof, look at those colors. It smells so good right now. Buen provecho, el bacalao dominicano.